Yes, my wonderful people, going to repair this clocks and give my full restore. So on this side, already gone. The whole bottom already gone. So you're going to restore total bottom. So yes, my wonderful people, I already don't take off the bottom already. So this is the top of the clocks. So this is the sole I'm not gonna use. So I already done remove this. Yeah, Joy, bless. So yes, my peeps are going to put on this onto the So I'm going to put this onto this proper soling. So this soling will last a very long time. So yes, my peeps, I already done put on the soling. So I'm going to sew it. Going to sew it. So you see the finished product, guys. So yes, my peep, I already done sew it around. Already done sew it right around. So you're going to put on the bottom now. So I'll show you. Yes, my people, so I already done stick it. So you're going to cut it around and show you the finished product. So yeah. So yes, my people, I already done cut it around. Going to nice it up now. Going to nice it up. You will see the finished product as I done. Yes, my people, I already done sand it around. So you're going to give them the finish it. So we show you the finished product. You need yours to repair this? Check me. So yes, my peeps, I already done sand it around. Already done sand it around. So I'm going to show you finished product. Yes, my wonderful people, I already done the clocks. This is the finished product. This is the finished product of the clocks. So if you need any, check me out. I'm available. So this is the fresh body. So yes, my peeps, this is what's the original body bottom that comes from the clocks. So this is the state of it. So I'm going to show you the original from right here in Barley. Okay, this is the bottom of the shoe. This is the original. Right here is Kurt Nose Barley on the leeward end. So this is the finished product, guys. You need anything like this, come and check me. Blessings. My number is 498-6003. You can contact me on Facebook, Evangelist Exton Garden. My YouTube channel, Etsu Show Vlog. Blessings, guys. Thank you for the support.